Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're enabling Stage Manager now, so open Control Center and tap the Stage Manager icon. This activates windowed multitasking immediately. Once done, make sure display settings match your external monitor. Stage Manager uses space and window scaling differently. You'll see apps grouped on the left. Tap one to open, then drag another to create a new workspace. Try a keyboard shortcut if you have one, because that's speed switching. These steps set up the environment and let you start arranging multiple apps quickly. Now you'll organize windows, drag an app from the shelf into the canvas and drop it where you want. That creates a floating window. Once there, grab window edges to resize. This helps prioritize one app versus another for focus. To create grouped workspaces, drag a second app onto an open window and release. They'll snap into a combined space. Make sure to use thumbnails on the left to switch workspaces quickly, because that keeps your layout intact while you multitask efficiently. To finish, arrange windows so your main task is centered and secondary apps are accessible. Stage Manager will remember this layout when you return. If a window won't resize, try App Expose or long press the thumbnail to force reflow, because that often fixes layout glitches. If Stage Manager becomes unresponsive, toggle it off and on in Control Center or perform a quick restart. That clears transient issues without losing your app state. Finally, practice a couple of swaps to build a smooth workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.